Hey everyone friends, this is the Weveler channel. Today I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account. First, I open my browser and search for Microsoft. Here we find Microsoft. Open it, right? Click the Sign In button. Click the Create Account button. Enter the email address you'll use to log into your account. Next, enter the code that gets sent to that email. Then enter your country and date of birth. Right? That's too early. Let's go with this. Next, enter your first and last name. Then complete the CAPTCHA. Oops. Okay. After that, you'll be asked to create a password, and you'll successfully create your account. That's it. This was Weveler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.